The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hockley County in northwest Texas, northwestern Lubbock County in northwest Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lake Harrell, or 8 miles north of Levelland, and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Some locations near the path of this storm include Endon and shallow water. Large hail, damaging winds, and very heavy rains are expected with this storm. Take cover in a substantial shelter. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-745-1290. The following is a summary of watches